Inflammation. Inflamed, swollen, and painful. It makes moving about your day difficult.
My rheumatoid arthritis made it hard for me to walk to class each day.
With my chronic inflammation, I was constantly canceling plans.
Inflammation was controlling my life. Then I talked to my doctor and she told me about ERG-240. So, what do I do for my knee? Do I use ERG-240? What's the dosage?
ERG-240 is a new medication for those suffering from inflammatory diseases. While inflammation is generally a normal response of the immune system, in diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, it can be problematic, leading to joint pain and damage throughout the body, making everyday tasks a challenge. When this happens, we see macrophages, a key component in the immune response, become stimulated with lipopolysaccharide, or LPS. This stimulation results in a metabolic switch from oxidative phosphorylation to pure glycolysis. Immune-responsive genes, such as IRG1, HIF1A, and IL1B are upregulated, and a significant amount of glucose is used up. This is called the Warburg effect, and is suspected to be associated with the effects observed within inflammatory diseases.
But ERG-240 acts on these macrophages, so I don't have to.
In macrophages, an enzyme called BCAT1 catalyzes the breakdown of BCAAs, like leucines, valine, and isoleucine. Recent research has shown that inhibiting BCAT1 not only prevents the breakdown of these amino acids, but also reduces glycolysis. ERG-240 acts as a competitive inhibitor, built as a leucine analog that can bind with BCAT1 and prevent it from doing its function.
Reducing BCAT1 activity was found to diminish the effects of LPS stimulation and thus the symptoms of inflammation. Because of this, it is thought that BCAT1 acts as a major transcription regulator, leading to some of the effects of inflammation within the immune response. When cells were introduced with ERG-240 only, there was a downregulation in HIF1A, IL1B, and IRG1 genes, typically expressed during LPS stimulation. In the LPS and ERG-240 cells, only IRG1 was downregulated, but after extended exposure, IL1B concentrations decreased as well.
With ERG-240, my immune responses are kept in check so I can focus on what really matters.
Because of the reduction in BCAT1 activity, leading to a reduction in oxygen consumption, glycolysis, and a downregulation of a few immunoresponsive genes, patients experience a significant reduction in their inflammatory symptoms.
So what are you waiting for? Take control of your inflammation with ERG-240 today. Wait up, guys.
ERG-240 is still in the development stages and has only been tested on mice, rats, and in vivo settings. Don't take ERG-240 if you have only read the mainstream literature, since you will only have the general idea of it, but not the specifics in terms of methodology and quantitative results. The research article will provide more specific information about the methods used to get such findings and results. If you have a history of scientific research or education, the research article may be right for you. It might be over your head if you have more limited scientific background. Talk to your doctor if ERG-240 is right for you and where you can get your information from.
ERG-240, the new medication for your inflammation.